As it is a Sangeet look, there must be a dance, so I have added a dance video in it.
जावी छोड़ के ना तेरे नाल रहना वे तू श्रृंगार मेरा तू है माई गहना वे.
If you have not watched yet my Jacqueline recreated look, I will share the link in description box. This is the stuff which I have used to create this look. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Varsha Mehta Official. If you are new here, I'm Varsha. As we all know, Sonam Kapoor got married to Anand Ahuja, and today I'm going to recreate her look from Sangeet. Actress and fashion icon Sonam Kapoor dazzled in ivory and gold lehenga designed by famous designer Abujani and Sandeep Ghosle. It took almost 18 months to create her Sangeet outfit, and she has complemented this lavish lehenga with her mom's exclusive jewelry. Sonam looked absolutely eternal in beautiful outfit and light smoked out eyes, natural pink lips, and beautiful braid hairs with jasmine flowers. I thought it's fair only to share his style and makeup with you guys. Hope you enjoy watching this video and find this video helpful. If you are new at my channel, please take a moment to subscribe my channel. You just have to click the subscribe button given below, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get notification from my channel. Without further ado, get into the video. I'm using a Lakme Absolute Argan Oil on my face to give a flawless makeup look. It's really going to help me to blend my makeup well and give a flawless finishing to my makeup. Now I'm going to use Ivory shade from Kiss Beauty palette on my eyelid as a base and going to blend with the help of Beauty Blender. After I have done with the base, I am going to take a transition shade from Huda Beauty palette and going to apply on my crease line and blend it well with the help of blending brush. After that, I am going to take Cocoa shade from the same palette and again going to build that color on my eyelid. From the same palette, I am going to take black color and with the help of flat brush, I am going to create V on outer corner of my eyes and build black color over there. With the help of flat brush, I am going to build the black color on outer corner of my eyes in dapping motion. Now I am going to use the nude from Maybelline palette and going to take golden shade from that and going to dab with the help of my finger on my eyeball. Now I'm going to use Lakme liquid liner to apply liner on my eyes. I'm using Studio Derma of PAC for my base. I'm not using any color corrector or concealer before applying my base because this base has a high coverage and it will hide all my dark circles and black spots without applying color corrector or concealer. After applying that, I'm going to blend it with the help of Beauty Blender. I'm using Me Now HD concealer to highlight my face. I'm going to apply that under my eye, bridge of my nose, over my forehead, on my jawline, cupid of my lips, after that I'm going to blend it with the help of Beauty Blender. I'm using Maybelline lipstick for my blush. It's a pink color lipstick. As Sonam was having a pink fresh blush cheeks, so I'm doing the same. I don't have any specific blush palette. I mostly use my lipstick as my blushes, and you can also do that. You don't have to invest specifically for blush. I'm using Lakme Absolute 9 to 5 finishing powder in natural color underneath my eyes so that it can bake out, and when I'm going to do my lower eye makeup it will not fall on my face, and if it is I can dust it off. I'm using Swiss Beauty Kajal on lower waterline of my eye. With the help of angular brush, I'm going to smudge my kajal below my waterline. Now I'm going to dust off my loose powder which I had applied underneath my eyes before. I'm using highlighter from Master Counter palette of Maybelline to highlight my face. I'm using the nude from Maybelline. I used white shade to highlight my brow bone and inner corner of my eyes. Now I'm going to use rose water as a makeup fixer. I'm using pink lip pencil to get natural pink color which Sonam Kapoor is carrying on Sangeet Night. I'm using lip gloss after I have done my lips. Mascara from Maybelline to give volume to my lashes. We have done with our makeup. Now we will start with our hairstyle. I will divide my hair in 3 segments. You can see how I am dividing that. Take section of hair from front, leaving some hair, and going to form a French braid. It is a kind of French braid, not exactly. You have to repeat the same process on other side as well. Now I am going to fix my Mang Tika with the help of bobby pin. Now I am going to take hair from my crown area and pin that with the help of bobby pin. Now I'm going to pin my front braids. After I have done with my front hair, now I'm going to do with the rest of my hair. I'm going to divide them in 3 different segments and going to braid them. I'm carrying Gajra in my hairstyle as she was also carrying jasmine flower Gajra. I was not having the real one, but I am using the artificial to create the same look. You just have to twist the Gajra on your hairs and fix it with the help of bobby pin. This is the complete look I have created. I really had a great time putting together this video for you guys, and if you have any opinion related to this, please let me know your thoughts in comment box, and please don't forget to hit the like button. I want to take a moment and thank everyone who is sharing my work. You guys are so sweet. You know that how much it means to me. I really want to thank you guys from bottom of my heart, and you can follow me on my Instagram handle. I will share the link in description box, and if you are thinking to recreate this look, please don't forget to tag me there as well. This is the time to wrap this video. Bye.